What's good, YouTube? Mike here. In today's video, you guys read the title, man. How to stop aging and how to reverse the aging process. Now, this video is not cap, bro. I don't care what you guys say. All this information is facts. Even Google is saying it's facts. You guys can look it up if you want, but there is no actual way to stop aging. Like, it's inevitable. You're gonna age and die at some point in your life. But this video is for the people that actually want to stop aging. And when I mean stop aging, I mean you're still gonna be looking like you're in your 30s. That's what I'm talking about, reversing aging, slowing the aging process. This video is not for the weak, man. This video is for the conscious, open people that know a lot of stuff I know. If you're not that person, you can still watch this video, but you probably won't understand what I'm talking about. Or you probably can't comprehend, but it doesn't matter, man. Anyways, leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. And I'm having a lot of fun with the self-help videos, so if you guys enjoy them, leave a like. And none of my videos are cap, bro. I don't want to see any comments, this is cap, there's no way you can reverse aging. You can, bro, trust me, you can. None of my videos are cap. Go try them yourself. Go try the video I made on how to not get sick. Do that. Go try the video on how to get taller and tell me what happens, bro. I bet you'll get results in a couple months, or the grow taller one maybe in a year, literally. And before I even start the video, no, I'm not a doctor or nothing, bro. These videos are the stuff I've researched over the years, and this is the knowledge I cultivated in the past year. So anyways, the first thing I want to talk about is fasting in your diet. Now, bro, I say this in every video. Literally, if you watch my videos, I say diet and I say food in every video because it plays a huge effect. I say that every time, but it's the truth. Your diet plays a huge factor. I'm gonna say it like this: eating fast food, eating junk food, eating acidic foods, eating that stuff every day, eating that stuff weekly, monthly, whatever you guys do, you are killing yourself faster. If you're eating that stuff, that junk food, you're killing yourself faster. And the reason why is because those things were created in laboratories. Yes, those foods were designed in laboratories. They're not real food. It's artificial food. Yes, it is. I know the food tastes good. I know, I've been there. I had a food addiction. Food tastes amazing. Yes, it does, but it kills you faster. That's how the game works. The food that you love and tastes good is not good for you. And the food that doesn't really taste good and doesn't have a good taste is healthy for you. That's how the game works. It's the same thing with medicine. The medicine that you take that isn't good for you is actually probably helping you. And the stuff that you take as medicine that tastes good to you is probably not good medicine then. There's a lot of stuff, man. But anyways, I want to talk about fasting. Fasting, if you don't know what fasting is, it's basically going a certain time frame or a certain time period of not eating. Now, if you practice intermittent fasting and implement it in your daily habits, in your daily life, you will reverse your aging. You will. Even Google says it. I'll read it right here. I'll put it up on the screen too. It says fasting supercharges metabolism, making the body more efficient at breaking down nutrients and burning calories. It also slows down the degradation of DNA, which is what occurs when we age. It accelerates the DNA repair, thus slowing down the age process. Even Google is saying fasting helps slow down the age process. You have to think about it like this. When you eat food, it takes energy to break down that food. So if you're not eating, there's no energy that needs to be used to break down that food. So you're holding that energy within your body. So you are reversing aging because your energy is not getting exalted, it's not getting used at all to break down the food. So you're keeping that life force energy, that energy inside of you. So you're not aging whatsoever. And plus, when you fast, you're repairing your DNA slowly but surely. This is why every time I used to eat fuck shit like acidic foods, like pizza, fries, I would fast for the next 24 hours or 48 hours the next couple of days, because I realized and I knew if I ate fuck shit, I can just fast that shit out of my body and repair my DNA just like that. So fasting is a great way to slow the aging process down. If you never fasted before, I suggest you start intermittent fasting. I might make a whole video on fasting as well, because fasting is probably the best thing to do in your life. I'll do an intermittent fast for 16 to 18 hours a day. That means you'll probably only eat dinner once a day, or lunch once a day, or breakfast, a big breakfast, and then you don't eat anything for the rest of the day. That's basically what fasting is. Now, your diet can vary. A lot of people like different things. All I'm saying is don't eat acidic foods, don't eat junk food, don't eat fast food. That's it. You can eat anything else. Don't eat anything that has a lot of sugar in it and that's processed and unnatural. If you want to eat meat that's organic. Don't eat the processed meat like hamburgers, hot dogs. That will literally slowly kill you. Just like if you're smoking, you are hurting your lungs, that will slowly kill you. And it's crazy how back in the day, they promoted smoking so much. They knew what that's crazy. They know what they're doing, bro. Back in the day, they told people that smoking is cool. It was the cool thing to do. And now people are getting lung cancer. People are dying faster. Bro, the government knows what they're doing. That's all I'm saying. I'm not on my woke shit, but that's all I'm saying. The next thing I want to talk about is huge. Stop going by man-made time. And what I mean by that is, stop believing you're aging. Stop going by man-made time. Stop celebrating these holidays, especially your birthday, because it's like The Sims. If you celebrate your birthday and you tell yourself you're gonna age, you're gonna age. So let's say every year it's my birthday, I'm like 40 years old. Me saying, oh, I'm 40 years old, I'm getting older. You're casting a spell on yourself. Saying bad affirmations like that, you're gonna age faster and you're gonna die faster. If you tell yourself you're gonna age, in your mind, your body, your cells are gonna start slowly dying off and slowly getting older. That's how your brain works. You have to trick your brain and tell yourself that you are young. You are not getting older. Don't say that affirmation. Just say, I'm young. I'm so young. I'm so healthy. Stuff like that. Stop casting a spell on yourself and saying you're getting older. Because I know in the future, I'm done celebrating my birthday. I'm done celebrating these holidays because that's all man-made stuff. Even time is man-made. Time is just constructed for the Matrix. You feel me? For your 9-to-5 job. So you know when you get off work, so you know when school's over. Stuff like that. If you stop going by man-made time, dog, you will not age, bro. You definitely won't age. I even watched this YouTuber called Mark Houghton. He does this. I was watching videos from him from 4 or 5 years ago. He looks the same from 4 to 5 years ago. He hasn't aged one bit. And I remember he was telling this story. He was like, he was walking down the street and one of his friends or one of his neighbors said, oh, it's your birthday next week. He was like, oh, really? I didn't realize it. Because he doesn't go by time. Time is man-made. So if you stop going by time and just live in the present moment, live in the now, you won't age. Trust me, you won't age. And you have to think of time like this. It's a cycle. It repeats. Just like the days of the week, every single week they repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They repeat. Just like the months, they repeat. It's a whole cycle. Think of time as just a big loop. It's a whole cycle. So just think of time as the present now. Everything's in the now. The future is right now. It hasn't occurred yet. Future hasn't formed yet. It hasn't occurred yet. And the past is only your memory. That's something deep. Your past is your memory. All the stuff on your phone, all the videos are in the past. From memory, your phone memory, your mind memory, your brain memory. It's past is all memory. So that's all I have to say about time. I know it's pretty deep, but that's the cold hard truth. Next, you have to stop believing you're aging. I already talked about this a little bit, but it's like in The Sims. If you tell yourself you're aging, you're gonna age. So if I'm you guys, every time it's my birthday and your parents telling you, oh my God, you're getting older, you're getting older. No, I'm getting younger. I'm getting younger. You have to tell yourself good affirmations like that. Now I want to talk about meditation. Meditation can slow and reverse the aging process. And even this woman, Sarah Lazar, I mentioned in one of my videos already, she talked about how if you meditate daily, every single day, for a certain amount of time, like 15, 30 minutes a day, it slows the aging process. If I find the clip, I'll insert it right here.
This is really well established that the entire front half of the brain shrinks as we age. But in the meditators, it seems like it's preserved.
But she is right though. Meditation does slow the aging process down, and even Google agrees with me. Again, let me put up on the screen and I'll read it for you guys. Yes, meditation can slow the aging process. You don't need to meditate for long every day. And other techniques such as practicing yoga and mindfulness can also help. And I'll get into yoga too. One of the main reasons meditation slows the aging process is because it reduces stress. That's the key too right there. Stress. You have to not make yourself stressed out. If you do, you're gonna age faster. Here's why yoga works so much. It's because it's reducing stress. The more stressed you are, the faster you're gonna age and the faster you're gonna die. I'm sorry. You have to start doing things that make you less stressed. Let me give you guys an example. The video game example I did on my How to Grow Taller video. When you're playing the video game, play games that don't make you stressed out. Like Minecraft, Sims. Play games that don't make you stressed out. Don't play 2K that much if it makes you stressed out. Don't play Fortnite. Play games, because I know those games make people rage and make people stressed out for no reason, bro. It's a video game. You're supposed to be having fun, not getting stressed out. You're stressing yourself out for no reason. It's a virtual video game, man. So instead, play games that make you less stressed, or just do things in your daily life that make you less stressed. Because I know meditation and yoga are the two best ways for people to get less stress, especially just going outside and walking outside in nature and grounding in nature, especially. That's a big must too. And I think that's it. I'm looking at my notes right now. I think that's it for the video. I think I said everything I wanted to say, but hey man, this video, it probably will blow up in the future. Who knows, man? Because I'm giving you guys game right now. I've never seen anybody else make this video. And one more thing I want to talk about is this comment I saw on TikTok. It was on Will Smith's video. Will Smith looks the same from 10-20 years ago. Maybe he's doing the steps I'm saying right here, or maybe he's sipping that Adreno. If you know, you know, man. Adrenochrome, if you know, you know. You can either do it that way, or you can do it the way I just told you, the natural way. You guys better do the natural way, man. Anyways, man, I'm just joking. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.